was a schizo stream all along. Bonnie isn't real. Wait, that's so sad. I haven't really hung out with a girl much in like a year, you know that,
Yeah, that's
right?
why you imagined me.
That's really sad. That's actually so sad.
You imagined me because you needed me.
I did need you, Bonnie.
See a need, fill a need.
And now you...
And once you don't need me anymore, I will disappear.
No! Don't say that. That's so sad. Don't disappear, Bonnie.
Okay.
Oh my god, she's...
Just keep imagining me.
I like how she just ominously foreshadows like this isn't real life, like we're like in a TV show or something.
Others.
Maybe this...
Yeah,
maybe this isn't real. Yay, Bonnie. So, Switch game?